my channel where I talk about my life and adventures here in the United States, including how I came here to the United States using K1 fiancé visa and applying for adjustment of status, applying for temporary work permits, looking for a job here in the United States, which I think is one of the most important things when you are a US immigrant. And also I talk about our journeys and trips to other states or other parts of the US. And one of the things I talk about in my YouTube channel is our bath bomb business, because during this pandemic or coronavirus pandemic, during this quarantine or lockdown, I learned how to make fizzy bath bombs and we started selling them on Amazon. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make these colorful, beautiful, fizzy bath bombs. And this is actually the second part of the series, Mastering the Art of Making Fizzy Bath Bombs. But before that, I would like to thank my 100 subscribers. And if you're not one of them yet, I invite you to click subscribe if you continue watching this video. And I'll see you again in 30 seconds. In my latest video, I taught you how to make fizzy bath bomb using the basic simple recipe, and if you're going to follow the recipe, I assure you that your bath bombs won't crack, they won't crumble, and they dry fast like this one. And if you haven't watched that video yet, I will include the link on the description below. But this time, I'm gonna teach you how to make this colorful, wonderful fizzy bath bomb, which is one of my favorites among our 8 collections. So I hope that you are ready, because we're now going to start making this wonderful fizzy bath bomb. Stay out! To begin with, we are going to combine all our dry ingredients here on this bowl. We have our 4 cups baking soda. We have our 2 cups citric acid, 1/2 cup Epsom salt, and we have our 1/2 cup cornstarch. Okay, so we mix them together. So these are all our dry ingredients, and I usually add the coloring here, but since we are going to use different colors, before adding the coloring, I'm going to add first our wet ingredients, or fragrance oil or essential oil, and we're going to add also our almond oil. Okay, so first I'm going to put or add 3 ml of our essential oil. And add our 2 tablespoons of almond oil. You can use other kinds of oil like apricot, coconut oil, or you can also use shea butter. Okay, and then we mix our ingredients. Dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. So make sure that you are mixing well all of the ingredients, the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients, and make sure that there are no lumps. You can use this kind of equipment. After making sure that all our ingredients are mixed well, the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients, and after making sure that there are no lumps, we are now ready to divide into 5. So I'm going to use 5 colors of it. I mean, white. We have white. We're going to, so for white we don't need, obviously we are not going to use coloring. So we're going to use white, I'm going to use blue, red, green, and yellow. So white, blue, red, green, and yellow. So first, I'm going to measure like 2 cups each. Not necessarily exact amount, so depending on how you want it. So this will be for 1 color. Okay, so approximately all of these bowls, they have 1 and 1/2 cup of our mixture. 1 and 1/2 cup each. And we have our what? And then after doing that, after dividing them into 5, we are ready to put all our colorant. So first, we're going to use yellow. So for the yellow, I only use 1/4. 1/4 tablespoon. The red one, we also use 1/4 teaspoon. Actually, this is teaspoon, not tablespoon. So 1/4 teaspoon for the red and for the yellow. As well as the blue, we also use 1/4 teaspoon for our blue. And for the green, I think I made a mistake here, but not a mistake. And for the greens, since we don't have the green color, we don't have the red or the coloring, which is green, I'm going to mix the blue and yellow. So I'm going to use 1/8. 1/8 of the blue coloring and 1/8 of yellow. And then we're going to mix them one by one. We'll mix the yellow. Mix blue and yellow to make the green color. After mixing all of this one, since this is white, we don't need to mix it. Then we are ready to spray water. Okay, like 5 sprays of water in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we now have our green color, and we were able to achieve this by combining the yellow and the blue. 1/8 yellow, 1/8 teaspoon yellow, and 1/8 teaspoon blue. And we do the same with the other colors. You also have to do it with the wine. Next, we're going to combine all of them together again in one bowl. So,
want to press this hard. Then put the glue. Press it hard. And white. Then we add the red. Doesn't matter how you arrange the colors, you will still come out beautiful when you're going to mold them later. And finally, our last color, we have our green. It's beautiful. Also press it. Okay, so we are now ready to mold our bath bomb. I call this Healing Heavenly Scent. I actually use the lavender scent, but I call this Heavenly, Healing Heavenly, because it's so relaxing. It feels like when you're looking at it, it's healing whatever sickness that you have, whatever problems that you have. When you're looking at it, it's so beautiful and feels heavenly. So now we are ready to mold our bath bomb, and we use first the other half. And press it. Press it hard. Press it hard. Okay, but the last one, you don't want to press it so hard. And then you get the other half. So what I'm doing is that when I scoop, I have to make sure that at least there are two colors. Press it. And you get the blue and white, including the red one again. And yellow also. Okay. Press it hard. A little bit hard. Okay, and then we are ready to mold them together. Okay, be sure to press it really hard as you can, and then using our scissors, or you can also use this spoon, but this is so noisy when I'm using it. Creates a lot of noise. So I prefer using this. So tap it on both sides. Okay, and then remove the other half. Okay, our beautiful one. And the other half. Wow. You want to remove the ring, but this one doesn't really matter if you want to remove the ring or not. But the problem is I wrap our bath bomb, so when the bath bomb dries up and the ring they fall out, so it is dusty, and I don't want that to happen in our bath bomb. So this is our beautiful bath bomb. This is our Healing Heavenly Scent bath bomb. See, this is pretty. I think I put too much red on it. Let's continue making our bath bomb, our beautiful Healing Heavenly Scent. Okay, again, when you are scooping out the bath bomb, the mixture, be sure that you get at least two colors. Then again, the last one, you don't want to press it so hard. Now get the other half. And there's too much yellow on this again. Okay. I was telling you that you don't want to press so hard the last scoop on the first half of the mold, but here you want to press hard at the center, but be sure not to press hard on the sides. And then we combine them and we press them so hard. Remove it, and it's pretty. Wow. And remove the ring, or you can just press it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And our bath bombs.
I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to write them down on the comment box below. And I hope that you are now ready to make your own fizzy bath bombs. And again, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I see you again on my next videos. Bye bye!